Welcome back to Saas Beast Pro, where we help you master Canva with ease. In today's video, we're diving into 7 Canva mistakes everyone makes on PC. Fix them today, and showing you exactly how to avoid them. You'll learn how to correct common design errors like distorted images. Now let's get started. Number 1, correct distorted image scaling. When images get stretched or squished, your design loses its professional polish. Fixing this ensures your visuals stay sharp, balanced, and true to their original proportions. It's a small change that makes a huge difference in visual quality. Alright, let's get into the steps. Step 1. Select the image you want to fix by clicking on it. Then double-click on it. You'll notice small handles appear around the edges. Step 2. Hold down the Shift key on your keyboard. This locks the image's aspect ratio while you resize. Step 3. Click and drag one of the corner handles to resize the image. Drag outward to enlarge or inward to shrink while maintaining perfect proportions. Step 4. Release the mouse button first, then let go of the Shift key. This ensures the image adjusts correctly without distortion. Step 5. You can also right-click the image and choose Set Image as Background. This fills the space naturally, keeping the aspect ratio intact and preventing unwanted stretching. Number 2. Remove image backgrounds with one click. Removing backgrounds instantly cleans up your design and makes images look professional. This feature saves time and eliminates the need for complex editing, keeping your workflow smooth and efficient. Alright, let's get into the steps. Step 1. Open Canva from your browser and navigate to a blank design. This sets the stage for adding and editing your images. Step 2. Click on the image you uploaded that you want to remove the background from. Make sure the image is selected so the tool can work on it. Step 3. Once selected, go to the top menu header where the editing options appear. This is where Canva places the background removal tool. Step 4. Click on Background Remover in the menu. Canva will instantly remove the background from all selected images at once. Step 5. Wait a few moments while Canva processes and removes the background. This ensures the tool completes the removal accurately. Step 6. Note that this feature requires Canva Pro. Make sure you have access to fully use the one-click background removal. Number 3. Group elements to maintain position. Grouping elements in Canva is essential for keeping your designs organized and consistent. It ensures everything stays perfectly aligned, saves time, and prevents accidental misplacement, letting you focus on creativity. Alright, let's do it. Step 1. Open Canva in your browser and navigate to the design you want to work on, making sure all relevant elements are visible. Step 2. Click and drag your mouse to select all the elements you want to group, ensuring nothing is left out. Step 3. Click the Group button located in the upper right corner to instantly combine your selected elements. Step 4. Alternatively, right-click on the selection and choose Group from the drop-down menu for the same result. Step 5. For a faster method, simply press Ctrl+G on your keyboard to group the elements immediately. Step 6. To make edits to individual elements within the group, double-click on the element you want to modify without ungrouping everything. Step 7. Once grouped, you can move, scale, rotate, or adjust the transparency of the entire group effortlessly, keeping your layout intact and streamlined. Number 4. Align elements using rulers and guides. Consistent alignment transforms a messy design into a polished masterpiece. Rulers and guides help you place every element with precision, ensuring your layout looks clean, balanced, and visually professional. Let's do it. Step 1. Head to the top blue bar and click File, or choose Settings if that option appears in your Canva version. This is where you'll access your ruler and guide controls. Step 2. Select Show Rulers and Guides to turn them on. You'll see measurement bars appear along the top and left edges of your workspace. Step 3. Click and drag from the rulers to pull out a guideline. Drop it anywhere on your design to start aligning your elements with pinpoint accuracy. Step 4. Position the guideline where you need it. It will snap and glow purple when it perfectly aligns with objects or the center margins, your visual cue that everything's in sync. Step 5. Need more guides? Just repeat the dragging process from the ruler to add as many alignment lines as your layout requires. Step 6. To clean up your workspace, drag any unwanted guideline outside the canvas area. It will vanish instantly. Step 7. When you're done, go back to View or File and Settings, then click Show Rulers and Grids again to turn them off. This keeps your workspace neat and focused on your final design. Number 5. Use Color Dropper for image matching. This step is essential for achieving perfect visual harmony across your design. It helps you match colors directly from images or elements, creating a cohesive and professional look that stands out. Alright, let's get into the steps. Step 1. Click on the element you want to change the color of. This selects the specific object you'll be applying your new matched color to. Step 2. Click the Color button from the top toolbar. This opens the Color menu where you can access Canva's color customization options. Step 3. In the Document Color section, click the rainbow color icon. This allows you to explore more color tools beyond preset options. Step 4. Select the eyedropper tool icon. This activates the color dropper, letting you sample any color visible in your Canva document. Step 5. Move your cursor over the document to find the color you want to match. Hover over your image or design element until you locate the perfect tone. Step 6. Click on the desired color to apply it to your selected element. The color instantly transfers, creating a consistent palette that ties your entire design together. Number 6. Adjust letter. Spacing for readability. Proper letter spacing keeps your text balanced and easy to read. It helps your designs look clean, professional, and visually consistent, making sure your message stands out without overwhelming the viewer. Alright, let's get into the steps. Step 1. Click on the text you want to adjust. This activates the text editing options in Canva's toolbar. Step 2. In the top toolbar, select Advanced Settings. This opens the controls for both letter spacing and line spacing. Step 3. Under Letter Spacing, drag the slider to the right to increase spacing or to the left to decrease it. You'll see the text expand or tighten in real time. Step 4. Adjust until you find a balanced look that feels open but still connected. Avoid too much space, as it can make your design feel disjointed. Step 5. If needed, explore line spacing right below it to control the vertical space between lines for better overall readability. Number 7. Compress exports for smaller file size. Keeping your Canva exports lightweight ensures faster uploads, easier sharing, and smoother playback during editing. It helps maintain quality while optimizing storage and performance for your projects. Alright, let's get into the steps. Step 1. Click the Share button and select the Download option from the menu to begin exporting your design. Step 2. Under File Type, choose either JPEG or PNG based on the type of project you're creating. Step 3. If you pick JPEG, use the Quality slider to lower the percentage. This reduces file size while keeping decent visual clarity. Step 4. If you pick PNG, tick the Compress File Lower Quality bar across the box to make your export smaller without heavily affecting image detail. Step 5. Review your export settings and find the right balance between visual quality and file size. Step 6. Finally, click Download to export your compressed design efficiently. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more Canva tips and creative fixes.